spicy and crispy chicken for lunch. Let's start by pouring some oil into our deep fryer pan. Add some wheat flour, potato starch for extra crunch, super duper top secret spice mix. Make it red.
How do you marinate the chicken?
This chicken already has like the super duper secret spice mix, lemon juice and water, and I marinate them overnight in a freezer bag. Look. Put it in the dry batter. Put it into the water. Back into the spice mix. We dip them out. You must eat it with rice. I'll improve the batter again next time.